Let's get started for preparation of F1 interviews. Preparation varies from person to person. Mine was very rigorous one. Uh, After you book your slot, remember the time starts like it's like a ticking clock. It starts as soon as you book your slots. You already know now how hard it is to get another slot if you won't make it this time. So you know how the situation is. So the second point is preparation. During my preparation, I read almost like more than 1000 experiences, visa interview experiences. Most of them were the failed ones. Reading them was scary at first, but then you get a gist of it that these are the most important ones from which you can understand what do the US embassy expect from you. You can also understand which attitude to keep with when you interact with them. While reading, jot down the important questions. Look at same questions, who got them right. For example, like search your university. What questions did they ask you? Like they asked the visa interview viewers asked them. Write them down. You can write their answers down, and then make your own answers, adding your own points to them, and make a complete script for it. Like understand it, what to write, understand the questions, jot them down on a paper. Now do this in such a way that you have at least 2 days remaining before your final interview. For example, if you have an interview, for example, let's say it's on Monday 20th of November, and you will do jotting down of these words and everything until Friday 17th of November. The 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, you'll keep it for the mock and the preparation and the learning. Just revising through whatever you have written, whatever you have found out, whatever information you have created. Yeah, and prepare it in such a way that no matter what question is asked, what question they ask you, you have answer ready for it. Third point, program details and future plans. This is a very important point. So when you select your course, for example, management information systems or information systems, you go through the website thoroughly. What courses are there, what all courses they offer. For example, if it is a advanced database subject, so in that subject, what are the things involved? You understand them. You understand which courses are important to you, which courses you will select at the time, and which courses, like there are a few interview questions, like they'll ask which courses have you selected in your interview, which courses have you selected in your first semester. They can ask you this question. So why have you selected this course, and you should know that why is this course there. Even there were questions like what does this course mean, explain information systems, or explain what is computer science to you. Or there was this thing like why this course, so the person replied computer vision. So why do you like computer vision? This is a very these are the questions very important that you should know. And even career wise, you should know them, like what is it exactly. Yes, and later specialization. There are many colleges which offer specializations. Just go through it, like what specialization you will select. Yeah, I had prepared for this question. Like my specialization was data science at that time I was selected. Yeah, I decided that whatever courses I will select, like I'll go through it. What does that course mean? What does this course mean? I'll just go through it everything and just write them down. So yeah, this is what I did. And the most important question here it comes is what are your plans after your graduation? This is a very common question that they'll ask. If you're gonna give a vibe that you'll stay in US forever, I'm sure that they're not gonna give you the visa. They are very strict about it. And to be honest, just understand that, just go through it and get the gist of it, that after graduation what you will do, what job opportunities will be there if you take a specialization. For example, if you take data science, what things will be there. Just go through it and like have a survey, like what companies are there, what things are there, or what just go through it. Just understand what the things you'll do after your graduation. Fifth is financial documents. In this, the most important thing is, like, they'll ask is, they just wanted to know whether who is going to fund you. Do you have enough funds for your studies in US? Also, they'll understand, like, and there's also a thing that I would like to hint it out, that they do know everything. They have all the documents that you submitted for I-20. They can view it at the time of interview. They can ask the question based on those documents you sent on the I-20. So be careful what you send. Prepare accordingly and make your answers depending whoever is funding you. The 6th point, dress up. Anything casual, anything is fine. Wear proper shoes. Just don't come on slippers. Not even too formal. Even tie is not necessary. Like, it is not necessary. Whatever you feel comfortable in normal casual dress, it's fine. That's it, and best of luck for your visa interviews. And you have reached so far, and here's the last step you need to clear out. Do it perfectly. You can do it. Best of luck.